I've always thought to myself, today is the perfect day to die. The perfect day to give birth, the perfect day to cry. The perfect day to win and the perfect day to lose. God has made a perfect day. So you tell me, who am I to choose? The perfect day to blaspheme, the perfect day to lie. I am the perfect of the imperfect. So to fix my imperfections, today is the perfect day to try. The perfect day to right my wrongs and the failures to retry. The perfect day to lose your wings, today is the perfect day to fly. The perfect day to end and the perfect day to begin. The perfect day to love, the perfect day to sin. The perfect day to take the blame, the perfect day to accuse. God has made this perfect day, so you tell me, who am I to choose?